This is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're working on a great old Gershwin tune called I Got Rhythm. And today in class, I showed you some really cool chord embellishments for an E7, an A7, and a D7 that we will be playing on the bridge. So let me show you those progressions first, and then I'll lay the track down so that you can practice along. So we're in the key of C, and in the bridges, we have an E7 chord for 2 measures. We have an A7 chord for 2 measures. We have a D7 chord for 2 measures. And then we have a measure of D minor and a measure of G7. And we're going to fancy up all of those. Now with the E7, I'm making a simple little E7. And then I'm going to form a D form on the 2nd fret. So E7 and then a D. And then I'm going to move that D form to the 3rd fret and then to the 4th fret. Now we're going to try not to play that A string because it becomes dissonant as this progression unfolds. But if you catch it, it's not the end of the world. So this is what it looks like. Over 2 measures, each change will be 2 beats. So we have E7, and I'm trying to take aim on the top 3 strings. I'm not necessarily being successful, but I'm trying to take aim. So I'm not catching that A string, which is a little dissonant. Let's try again. 2, 3, 4. D form. Again. Now, as I mentioned, to play it more precisely, I would block chord it. So I'm getting into my finger picking position. I'm just going to play the bottom 3 strings like this. It's very clean. Again. Now our next chord is an A7, and this is a 1-finger chord progression. I'm making my A7, and I'm going to play all 4 strings. And like the first progression, I'm just going I'm going this way to this way, 1 fret at a time. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's all there is to it. Very transferable to other songs. And now the D7, we're just going to make our little D7, hold the form, and go up to the 5th fret, fret by fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So let's put it together, starting with the G, starting with the E7. 2, 3, 4. A7. D7. Let's do it again. E7, 2, 3, 4. A7. D7. Now, since we're up here, how can we make a D minor up here rather than go back to the first 2 frets? So what we're going to do is a D minor 7. And I strongly suggest you use your 4 fingers to cover all 4 strings, like so. You might be tempted to do as a bar chord, but just wait a minute, because we're going to turn this into a G9 chord, which is a dominant 7th type chord with a jazzy 9th note added. And all we need to do is take that index finger and slide it to the 4th fret. And it's resolved. You see that D minor? And a slight resolution there. So D minor 7, G9. Very cool. So let's do that whole bridge again. I'm going to sing it as we play it. So a one, two, three, four. Oh man, trouble. I don't mind him. You won't find him around my door. Like that. So let me do the whole song so that you can play along. We're going to do it slowly so you can work on that and other embellishments that you find as well. Here we go. Starting note is G. A one, two, three, four. I got rhythm. I got music. Got this great day. Who can ask for anything more? I got daisies in green pastures. Got this great day. Who can ask for anything more? Oh man, trouble. I don't mind him. You won't find him around my door. I got starlight. I got sweet dreams. Got this great day. Who can ask for anything more? Who can ask for anything more? Now, oh man, trouble. I don't mind him. You won't find him. Shabba-dabba-da, shabba-dabba-da, hey. I got starlight. I got sweet dreams.